So here we are on the Heathrow pod, and there's Terminal 5, and it's a whizzy little way to go between the hotel and the airport. I'll just do that. You can see one of the little pods zooming by.
There's another station.
Very Incredibles. Here we are in downtown Reykjavik. There's not a lot of people, but it's all nice and clean and fun. So a little bit frustrating that the church is closed, so I think the only way I'm going to get the view is to throw the Mavic Air up. Thankfully there's a nice rule in Iceland. Around Reykjavik you can fly up as high as the highest building around you. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So what a lovely first day in Iceland. I have to say Reykjavik really is an absolutely fantastic city. Got some beautiful architecture if you know where to look, and we've been pretty lucky today with the weather. I don't think the next few days are going to be as good, but certainly blue skies made for some nice filming around the cathedral. So anyway, tonight we are going to go northern light hunting, as we've got clear skies forecast and a few storms forecast for the next few days. But we'll see how we get on. Either way, tomorrow we head off into the Wild Blue Yonder. Can't pronounce it, it's unpronounceable, but somewhere down south near the Black Sand beaches. So, as I said, beautiful first day, and it's looking very good. Well, it's -2 degrees, which I think is about, I don't know, 28 degrees Fahrenheit. It's very chilly, it's clear, and we have managed to see some northern lights, so we're quite chuffed with that. Unfortunately, far too faint to appear on the Osmo Pocket, but Stu managed to get some good shots with his DSLR, and we'll see how they have come out when we get back to the hotel. But not a bad result. Our first night in Iceland, we were lucky enough to have a clear moonlit sky, which is why we drove out about 10 miles outside of Reykjavik, and yeah, we have seen green shimmering lights on the horizon. So that's a first for us, first for me. Happy chaps. So back in Reykjavik after our little Northern Lights escapade. They weren't the most amazing, but at least we saw them, and it was a first for us. Anyway, it's a bit late now, almost 11 o'clock, and we're just having our dinner, so a bit of a late one. And tomorrow we're heading off to the south coast, to the Black Beaches, so that'll be another completely new chapter in the trip. So it's been a good day and had a lot of fun.